want to send a message to someone on WhatsApp and I don't have the patience to do it. So there is a feature in the default keyboard. I can press the microphone button there and press the blue button and start speaking. While I speak, the message gets typed. I saw that the message is okay, so I just blindly sent it. But also, what I could do is once I speak again, let's do once more. I'm going to speak again, and it's going to start typing the words there. I need to make some fixes to the message that got typed in. So I just go back and edit it using the keyboard and then do a send. So hope this helps you send long messages without actually typing it in your future messages to friends and family. Talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.